Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. This is a Black & Decker bit set, and I think I have all the bits in here. I use these quite a bit, and I have to be honest, I have probably 4 or 5 of these sets all over the place. I have them in my tool bags, my glove compartment, my one pickup truck, but I love these things. Yeah, I think I'm missing one tip. That's okay. So, just shows you that I use it all the time. And one good example is that I lose these bits like all the time, and it even comes in a case, but I end up losing them. So that's why I always order a couple sets of these, at least 2 at a minimum. And what I love best about this, so you have your Black & Decker drill, and then that is your bit holder on the end of it. It's magnetic, so that's really cool. Holds it in place. But if you have drywall, that's one of the main reasons why I get this. So if you have a drywall screw, this actually goes out and it holds your screw in place for you, which is great. So you can actually line it up. So if you're just like this, you know how it wobbles off and it's going to fall off. This holds that in place for you. Not the #1 reason, but it's kind of like the main reason why I always buy these screwdriver kits that Black & Decker has. Plus, on top of that, on top of having that, like I call it magic, the magic bit holder, you have all your little Torx screws here. You got your square tips, and I don't know if you've ever seen them, but if you have some of those like Craig systems, they always use the screws that have like the box, the square, and this has a couple different size tips for that. And again, if you're using like the Craig series, you can put like that Craig bolt right on there, and it's going to hold it nice and straight for you. I mean, it just makes that so much easier. It's got a variety of like larger flatheads in there, a bunch of different Phillips, a couple different Allen key sizes on there. You'll never run out with having this set around, having multiples of these all over the place. Like I said, it's a nice compact set. I have it in my matrix tool set. I have a special drill bit set that I carry along with all my drills and stuff. I always had that. Like I said, I got one in my work truck. You never know when you're going to need, bits. You can never have enough of them. Anyway, get a couple sets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, you can never have enough of these things. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and yeah, be safe out there. Crazy.